Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about a new update that I got on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and also we will talk about the One UI 6.1.1 update. So first up, let's talk about the new update that I got on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. For that, you just have to go to your settings and then you have to select about phone. Then you have to select software information and then Google Play System Update. As you can see, it is on the 1st July 2024 and I received another update of 78 MBs, which brings in some latest security updates from the Google, which users have to download and install. By simply clicking on download and install, you will complete the download process, and depending on your internet speed, the download process will be completed. And once the update is downloaded, you just have to simply restart your device. As you can see over here, your device needs to restart now. By simply clicking on this restart button, your device will restart. Now One UI will optimize the apps and your device will restart. This might take a while, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. And finally the phone is updated, and as you can see over here, the phone is starting. And now your device is on the latest Google Play System update of 1st August 2024. As you can see over here, when you will check for the update, it will show that your device is up to date. And now let's talk about the One UI 6.1.1 update. So according to the official device list released from the Samsung newsroom, the One UI 6.1.1 will not come on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series or S22 Ultra. It is only limited to the S23 series and S24 series. It is really sad to see that Samsung is not including the S22 series in this device list. And I hope that in the coming future they will include the S22 series in this update, as the S22 series is also their flagship series. So the next One UI 6.1 update should also come on the S22 series, such as S22 Ultra at least. It is really sad to see that Samsung has not included it in the device list. And that's a wrap for today's video, with the hope that Samsung will include the S22 Ultra series in the future update of One UI 6.1 update. And if you are new on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe.